Alright guys, hold up, pause. I see Sydney. Okay. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, y'all can see I'm playing this game, Subway Surfers. Most of y'all already know this game. Most of y'all already know this game. And I just feel like posting it on YouTube just for something, just for anything. Just for anything. Like, I just download this just for YouTube and just for y'all. Cause I know some people like recorded like games, and I did not do my Xbox 360 yet. Yeah, I did not. So yeah, guys, I'm just playing this for a living, but I'm going to stop at like 3 minutes. Or like when I hit 3 minutes or 3:30, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so yeah, I'm just doing this video right now. I don't know if y'all can see my face. I gotta probably go in the living room because it's more light. And yeah, I'm just playing this. And yeah. Alright guys, be right back.